Hello everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock PUBG Mobile maximum FPS on any devices, so make sure you watch this video carefully until the end. First of all, go to Settings, Display, and Refresh Rate. Make sure you have activated 120Hz or your maximum refresh rate. Then open the GM-Tools application and follow all my steps. Select Close. Click the blue open button. If you get a pop-up message, just ignore it by clicking the quit button. Then swipe down and select GFX Custom. Alright, first select the game variant. This is the type of client application you are using. If you use the version from Play Store, that means the global version. Then go to basic graphic. You can choose a variable resolution, but I suggest you to choosing the default one. For graphic, of course I will choose mode for maximum performance. For FPS, make sure you choose 120 FPS to unlock the maximum FPS in the game. And for style, you can choose your favorite option. Next, we move to other graphic. For color, select default and select low for all options. This will make the font's work easier when rendering objects in the game. Next part, advanced graph, don't touch anything there, just let it be. Enable memory boost and GPU optimization and select program binary. Next part, extra graphic. There is nothing to change here, or if you want to use ultrasound, but it will reduce the performance of your phone. The last part is extra resource. You can choose a cloud server if you experience problems when downloading ActiveSAV or raw data. Choose a server that suits your area. Select Add Extreme Perform. Make sure Unlock Ultra Extreme 120 FPS is activated. Next, enable Add ActiveSAV and select ActiveSAV variant. There's a lot of ActiveSAV. You can experiment by trying any of them, but for now I will use ActiveSAV iPad 2020. Next, enable Add Raw Data. There's a lot of raw data here too. Just like before, I will choose the iPad 2020. After the download is complete, enable Add Script Better Performance. Now, swipe up and select the Apply button at the bottom right. Click Apply. You will be directed to PUBG Mobile App Info. Select Storage and Cache and click Clear Storage. Don't worry, it won't actually delete your files. This only deletes the data in the graphics section and reinstall it with the settings we set earlier. Make sure you follow these steps carefully. If you do it wrong, you can really lose your data. Then click the Back button and click Apply, and once more Apply. And here you can choose to boost now and it will end all applications running in the background. Then you will be directed to the PUBG Mobile game. Make sure you select the Allow button to give permission. And here you log in as usual. As a reminder, the GM Tool application can do auto boost in the background as long as you don't close this application. Great! 120 FPS is now active on your phone. You can see the number of FPS that I got in the top right corner. Yeah, it shows 120 FPS. If you go to settings then graphic, it might only say extreme or 60 FPS, but actually you get ultra extreme or 120 FPS in the game, even though the option doesn't appear. 120 FPS will be available as long as you don't change the settings on the graphics section. Now let's try on training ground. Alright, here I feel the game is very smooth, even though the average FPS will not be constant at 120. Usually you will get 65 to 110 when playing Classic. But there are many things that will reduce performance, such as too many enemies around, your phone is hot, low battery, unstable signal, or unstable Wi-Fi network, depending on your chipset. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and like this video. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section. Thanks.